Hello friends, I am Rashmi and today we are going to talk about phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is the verb followed by preposition. When verb comes alone, it takes its literal meaning. For example, hold. Here it has come alone without any preposition. So it takes its own meaning, that is to carry. However, when hold is followed by any preposition, say on, the meaning of hold gets completely changed, that is to wait. These slides deal with the verb hold with different prepositions. We have total 9 prepositions with the verb hold. Hold on to, hold with, hold on, hold over, hold back, hold up, hold against, hold out, and hold off. Before getting on to the phrasal verb hold, we need to know the meaning of the verb hold. Its meaning is to carry or grab. The man is holding a pen. We are going to memorize the phrasal verb hold with the help of a story. This is a story about the woman who got fed up with her new mobile network connection that deducted her balance for unasked schemes. So she decided to call up the customer care in order to express her dissatisfaction with the service. Now the story starts and I am going to narrate the story by using the phrasal verb hold. The first one is hold with something. The meaning of hold with is to support, to agree or approve. The woman did not hold with the network companies deducting the balance for unwanted schemes. As we know, the woman did not approve the very idea of companies deducting the balance for unsolicited schemes. Hold on to something. The meaning of hold on to something is to grip tightly. The woman held on to her mobile while talking on the phone. That is, the woman gripped the mobile tightly. Hold on. The meaning of hold on is to wait. On receiving the phone, the customer care asked the woman to hold on. That is to wait. Hold over something or someone. The meaning of hold over is to postpone or prolong. Our waiting session was held over for too long. That is, the customer care made her wait for too long. Hold back something. Its meaning is to control emotions, that is not showing emotions. The woman was very angry, but she held back her anger. The customer care was not talking to him. She was made to wait for long, so she got frustrated and angry, but she controlled her anger and did not reveal it. Hold up someone or something. There are two meanings of hold up. The first one is to rob at gunpoint and the second one is delay. Our story is related to the second meaning. The conversation with the customer care was held up. That is, the customer care was too busy to come on the phone and thus was delaying the things. Hold against somebody. Its meaning is to have ill feelings about somebody. The woman held against the mobile network company for all inconvenience. Because of these delays, the woman was very angry and frustrated. She started having bad feelings against the mobile network company. Hold out. The meaning is to refuse to yield, resist or withstand. The woman held out but couldn't do it for long and went out to get another network connection. It means woman didn't disconnect the phone and withstood or tolerated the delays, but couldn't do it for long and then disconnected the phone and went out to get another mobile network connection. Hold off. The meaning of hold off is to stay off, keep at distance. The woman still holds an old network connection off. That is, she stays away from her old mobile network connection. So, this is how the story of a woman gets ended and happy holding on to the phrasal verb hold.